Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glamour Jewelry Box for July. Do you want to see what is inside this box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Glamour Jewelry Box for July just showed up, and let's go ahead and see what we have. Glamour Jewelry Box. Fashion experts curate 3 pieces of jewelry every month for you to keep. Glamour Jewelry Box membership is $29.95 a month, where members can skip any month. Jewelry pieces range from earrings, necklace, bracelets, and rings. Fashion experts are up to date on current jewelry trends, so you will always receive the latest pieces and styles. And they just did come out with a profile, so you can pick if you like silver, yellow gold, or the rose gold in color tone. So that is amazing. Shipping within the US is $3, and we currently do not offer international shipping just yet. Each piece of jewelry you receive is high in quality and in value. The pieces featured in every box are found in high-end boutiques. And they also did They also did give me my own code, which is SheCrafty10, which will give you 10% off. And this is a women-run business, and they like to empower other women like you. So that is an amazing story behind it. So let's go ahead and see what this month. Last month was really good. I really liked it. They give you this little bag, and the 3 pieces of jewelry are always inside of here. And it says Glamour Jewelry Box right on it. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Oh, the card was kind of hidden. See that? There's the card. Glamour Jewelry Box. This is the perfect season to lay out and soak up the sun. We curated this month's box to give you a bold and edgy look for the upcoming summer months. So we have the 3 items. It says this month's box is valued at $76 total. So the first item that fell out already are these earrings right here. Those look cute, and they are silver with these little dangly things. So that would be really cute, you guys. Let's see here. Let me see if I can just stick it in. Yep, I can stick it in so you can kind of see what they look like. I can stick it in my current hole with my other earring in there. So that's actually really cute. I think these are really cute. There we go. Those are really cute. I like that. All right, so those are really cute. Next, we have something in this little bag here. This looks like a necklace. Oh, and these dual teardrop earrings retail for $28. Textured teardrop with smaller clear charm drop earrings. That's these. And this looks like a necklace. Do you guys see that? Like, is somebody's neck that small? I mean, I know there's an adjustable thing here, but that's where it's like meant to start at. Like, that's almost as big as my arm. How, holy moly, is this even gonna fit my neck? Let's see, you guys. Holy moly. Wow, I'm gonna be choking myself out. Yeah. That is on the last setting, like the very last hole. That is the very last hole. All right, I can't get any tighter. Whoa, that's definitely for somebody who has a smaller neck, because I can't even look down. It's like gonna choke me. Like, help, help. Who's gonna come get me? Someone come save me. Oh my goodness. I gotta get this off before I choke myself out. Holy moly, how am I gonna get this thing off here? Whew. It is seriously up on my neck right now. Okay. Oh. Okay, everybody, everything's good. You know, you don't have to come help me. I got it. But thank you. But holy moly, whose neck is that small? I'm confused with that one. I'm very, very confused with that one. Holy moly. All right, so this says delicate layered necklace if you have a small neck, delicate layered necklace retails for $23. This classic layered necklace provides a subtle statement look and very tiny, making this tiered necklace a go-to. Try pairing with a high neckline. You just can't get any higher than that. It was up on there. All right, you guys. The last thing is an edgy cut. Did I get a child's box? Do they have children's boxes on these? Look how tiny that, whoa. Okay, an edgy cuff bracelet retailed for $25. This solid metal cuff bracelet is bold and beautiful. Now I know I have an abnormally kind of large wrist because I'm a big girl, but look at this. Like, there is no way, like, what? That's the length of 3 of my fingers. You must have a small neck and a small, look at this. I can't, there's no way. There's no way at all that this is going on my wrist. So maybe I'll see if this fits my niece next time she comes over, because that's not going to fit me. Sorry, Glamour Jewelry. It's pretty, but it's meant for a very tiny, petite wrist, which I don't have. The earrings I really like. The necklace is going to choke me out, so maybe I'll see if that'll fit her and she wants that, because she's got a little neck. And that too, I'm not sure, but they're not gonna fit me, just being honest. I almost had to send help to get the necklace off. There's no way I'm gonna try to attempt to put that bracelet on, because whoo-wee, I won't be getting it off. But that is everything that came in this month. Most people have smaller wrists and necks than I do, so hopefully if you did get this variation, it fits you and you love it. If you do want to check this out, again, the link will be down below. SheCrafty 10 will get you 10% off, and you can definitely tell them if you want the silver, the yellow gold, the rose gold color tones, whichever you would prefer, and that's what they would send you, because now they do have a, I don't know if they had it before or if it's a new profile, but I think that's awesome that you get to actually tailor it to your profile. So yeah. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know. Did you like this box? Do you think this would fit you? Do you think this would fit you? I'm sure this would fit most people. I mean, I got a wide neck, and I definitely would not want something that tight around it. So that is everything, again, valued at $76. These are the 3 items that we received this month. Last month, again, like I said, was really good. I really enjoyed all 3 items, and I really like them. I've worn them a few times. So I do like these. I'll wear these for sure. It's just these others just don't fit me. Sorry. So there you go, you guys. Definitely, again, a comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. I can't get over how small those are. Like, I'm like seriously thinking that this was supposed to be like a child's box or something, but I mean, I don't think children would get a Glamour Jewelry Box, so it's got to be an adult box. But holy moly. Oh, I do have to tell you a little funny story though. My mailman came in the other day and he's like, hey, I have like 4 different boxes on my route. It's like a big box. It has flowers on it, and it looks like something that you probably would like, but I haven't brought to you. So do you know what that is? I'm like, what? He goes, well, I know like your pink box that I give you, and I know this other box that I bring to you, but this one's completely different. I haven't seen this one before. I'm like, are all 4 boxes going to the same address? He goes, no, they're all different. I'm like, well, then now I'm curious. Curious minds gotta know. Is there a new box out there that I don't know about? Let me know. So I follow him out to his little van, and he goes in his back of his truck and he's shuffling around. He's moving stuff around. And he brings it out. I'm like, that's FabFitFun. You brought that to me weeks ago, but mine was a different color. And I'm like, I got that a while back. And he's like, oh, so you got this one already? I'm like, yeah, you got me all excited thinking there's a new box that I'm going to be able to bring to my channel and be able to check out. And now it's the same one that I've been getting. Thank you though. Good looking out. He was trying to help me out, you know, I guess. He was just like, hey, do you get this box with flowers on it? What box is that? Does it have a name on it? He goes, I don't think so. He shows a big old FabFitFun right on the front. I'm like, really? really, Mr. Postman? But that was just hilarious. I got excited. I really thought I was gonna bring a new box to you guys, and nope. It's the same one that I've already brought weeks ago. Just other people are just now getting theirs apparently, which I'm sorry because I got mine a long time ago. So yeah, but I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was hilarious. I laughed so hard. I'm like, you dragged me all the way out here just to look at a FabFitFun box that I already got. But thank you. At least he was looking out, right? All right, you guys, that is everything that I have for you with my Child's Play box over here. And yeah, if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see my future videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. And I will see you on the next one. Bye. Like, really? There's no way. There's no way. Look at this. There's no way. That's not going. Nope.